Hi there, this is Lula LV. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a really short vlog of my New York City trip yesterday. We saw the 200 Trunks, 200 Visionaries exhibition, and then we stopped at the Louis Vuitton Flagship store on 57th Street. So I'll insert some footage of that, and then we'll come back here to talk about what I purchased. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back again. This is Lula LV. On this channel, we talk mostly about Louis Vuitton, but occasionally also other luxury brands, contemporary designers, and premium beauty. If you enjoy shopping vlogs, unboxings, and tips on how to be a smart luxury shopper, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Yesterday, my husband and I went into New York City. There was the Louis Vuitton special exhibit that opened in October called 200 Trunks, 200 Visionaries. This exhibition was put together in celebration of Louis Vuitton's 200th birthday. New York City is the very last stop of this exhibition, and it's open until the end of this month, December 2022. So we went into New York to see it yesterday. It was a really great exhibition. I really enjoyed seeing all the different artistic interpretations of the trunks, and there were staff members at all the trunks in all of the different rooms explaining some of the stories behind the trunks and the meaning, the concept of the different artworks. And they also had screens throughout the exhibitions where artists were talking about their designs. So it was really fun to see everything. There was also a gift shop at the exhibition exit. I was really surprised by all of the new releases that they did have in the gift shop. I didn't ask if they were there for display only, but they had items from the brand new Windows men's holiday collection. They did also have a few items from the Vivienne holiday collection. After we saw the exhibition, my husband and I walked down to the Louis Vuitton Flagship store. It was in the middle of the holiday shopping season on a Sunday in the afternoon. We got down to the store probably around 1 or 1:30 p.m. We did not have an appointment at the store. We just decided to walk down and try our luck, and I was very pleasantly surprised. There was no line to get inside. The hostess at the front door let us come right in, and I did use a tip from High Glamazon Luxe, and I will link to her YouTube channel below. She's on YouTube as well as all the other social platforms, which you can find linked on her YouTube channel. But she gives a tip quite often in her videos. When you go to a store, if you want good service, especially if you don't have an appointment, you say that what you are interested in buying. So I did this tip that High Glamazon suggested. I told the hostess when she asked me what I was looking for, I said, yes, I'm interested in purchasing a scarf today, and I would also like to look at leather bags. I was assigned a client advisor right away. She came over, helped me the entire time we were in the store, and I had a lovely experience. She was a very sweet, kind person, interested in talking to me, and even showed me some of the exotics that they had. She showed me an exotic capucine in croc. She really just went above and beyond, even to just show me items that she knew I wouldn't be purchasing that day, but I was interested in talking to her about them. So I had a really, really lovely experience. I looked at scarves first. I ended up not purchasing a scarf that day, even though that's what I went in to look at, because I decided to get a bag, and this was a bag that was completely unexpected for me. So first we looked at scarves, and then I wanted to look at the carryall in empreinte leather. I also looked at the pochette Matisse in empreinte leather. I was interested in the carryall. I thought the carryall PM would actually be the bag that I would come home with. I actually didn't take any photos of myself trying on the bags just because I was really enjoying being in the moment and shopping, but I tried on the PM. It was a very lovely bag. They had it in the cream color and empreinte leather. After I tried on the carryall and pochette Matisse in empreinte leather, we moved to another counter in the back of the store because I asked to also see what they had in epi leather. She showed me the twist in epi, which was very lovely but not suitable to my casual lifestyle right now. And she brought out the Boosie bag, the Marelle, as well as the Marelle Tote and the Grenelle. And it was one of those bags that I ended up coming home with. I'm sure from the thumbnail and title of this video, you know what the bag is, but let's open it up together. I received the Louis Vuitton Lego holiday bag and the box with the orange ribbon with the gold Louis Vuitton stamp. And my only complaint about the experience is the client advisor put the bag in a box that's slightly too small. You can see it doesn't quite close. For me, that's not very upsetting because I have a lot of Louis Vuitton boxes. So I'm sure I would have a box that this would fit better in. So here is the bag, and let's take it out. Okay, and we'll open it up. This is the Marelle Tote. This, in my opinion, is a very underrated bag. I have not seen a lot of this bag online. However, when I tried it on, I really loved the shape and the size of it and how it looks when I wear it. And this is actually the bag that my husband picked out. I was open to purchase whichever bag I liked. However, this was his favorite, and this was the one that he suggested I should get in his opinion, and so this was the one that I decided to go with. I absolutely love the size and shape of this bag. I love the beautiful light pink interior. This is a microfiber interior, and it does come with a black leather adjustable shoulder and crossbody strap. I will put that on the bag later in this video. It comes with this beautiful pouch. I do also like that it's detachable from the bag. So if you want a more low-key look, you can take it out and just carry the bag like this, and you really don't even see the logo. You can also turn the pochette around and insert it this way so you don't even see the LV on the top. And then you can just hook it on this side of the bag. But this is the way the pochette came, attached like this, and you can see the LV logo on the top. So I do like that there are multiple ways to attach the pochette. It is removable, so you can wear it with another bag or on its own. And being an epi leather, this is one of those if you know type of bags. It doesn't scream Louis Vuitton. So I love that. There's a lot of versatility in here in this bag. On the back, it is stamped Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. This is a made in France piece. Of course, you can carry this top handle, or you can attach the adjustable shoulder and crossbody strap. I will put that on a little bit later in this video. I'd like to show you the interior first. As I said, there is a beautiful, beautiful light pink interior lining. There are two large open compartments. The front compartment is just open. There's no interior pockets. The back compartment has two flat pockets, and there is a zip compartment in the middle. So if there's anything that you need to keep secure, you can always put it in the zip compartment. I love how spacious the interior of this bag is. I also love how much organization there is in this bag. Going by the base of the bag, it's 12 inches in length, 5 inches in depth, and 8 inches in height. You can see it does slant in on the sides. It is also cinched on the sides as well. The interior pocket does pull in the sides of the bag a little bit, so it has a really nice, lovely shape to it. The crossbody strap is adjustable. There are 9 adjustment settings. On the longest length, the strap is about 40 inches in length, so that's about a 20-inch strap drop. On the shortest setting, the strap is about 32 inches long, so that would be about a 16-inch strap drop, and that works really great as a shoulder length for me. I have this on the second longest setting right now, so I will try it on that setting. I'm 5 feet 8 inches tall, and I'm a US women's size 12. This is the bag on the second longest strap setting, so there is one longer setting than this, but this is how it falls right towards the top of my hip. And I think this looks super cute as a crossbody bag. This is on the shortest setting as a long shoulder. This is around a 16-inch strap drop. My favorite way, or at least my favorite look for carrying this bag, is just as a hand or elbow carry. I think this looks really adorable. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions of the Marelle Tote MM. If you have any questions about this bag, please leave them in the comment box below and I will do my best to answer them. I am also more than happy to do an in-depth review of this bag once I've had the chance to use it. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and don't forget to come back every Wednesday and Friday for new videos. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye now.